marinara lasagna. I don't know if this has got meat in it or not, so I'm going to look at the ingredients real quick and then we'll get started. But those are big meals for like a lot of people. Or 2 people. Ooh, it's leaking all over. It was just powder, so I really should go get my scissors. Okay, this has got powder and noodles. Let's see what it says. It says remove the oxygen absorber, whisk entire contents of 1 pouch into 4½ cups of boiling water. Reduce the heat, continue cooking for 20 minutes. I suppose that's to get the noodles done. Remove from heat, let stand for 3 to 4 minutes before serving. Okay, so, yeah, so I'm going to do the same with this that I did with the other one. And I'm going to separate it out and make it into 4 jars. I'll just take the big clumps out because they're not breaking up. Got a noodle in there, a couple noodles. Alright, that's good. Okay, so I've separated everything out, the noodles from the pasta sauce for the lasagna. And I'm going to put this in, I'm going to divide this noodles into quarters. If I could talk right, it'd be great. And put a quarter in each one. So let's start out with a 1/2 cup. I don't know. I better start out with a 1/4 cup. There we go. Okay, 1/4 cup of noodles in this. You can always add more to it. I can always take some out, but this is where I'm starting. 1/4. A little less than a 1/4. A little less than a 1/4. It could use what's left in here. Then for the marinara sauce, I think that's what it's called. I'm going to do the same thing, 1/4 cup in each jar. If I need more, if I have left over, I mean, then I'll just split it up between all of them, which I am going to have a little bit, not much. So I'll do that. That. Perfect. Love it when a plan comes together. Okay, that's done. And then, because it's lasagna, and I don't see any meat in there, I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of the freeze-dried meat. Meat. This one looks like it didn't quite get enough, so there's that. Alright, and now we've got lasagna in a jar. Pretty cool, huh? Alright, that's it for today. I think. Yeah, that's it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 16 jars. Hi there. 16 jars. 16 meals, lunches, dinners, whatever, plus the 12 I've already got. That's quite a bit. So I'm going to get these jars sealed up and get my mess cleaned up and figure out what else I can do for the next video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.